Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. I'm going to be showing you how I make this exfoliating jelly mask with lactic acid. Lactic acid is an amazing alpha hydroxy acid that helps to exfoliate your skin, improve skin texture and appearance over time. So I'm going to show you my entire process step by step how I make this mask. So let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY hair and skincare videos, and I also sell my products on my website, and I have my online formulating courses. If you want to check any of these things out, I'll have them linked in the description box. So let's jump right in. So I have the formula in percent, and I also have it converted to grams as well, and this is for 170 gram batch. So I'm going to get started weighing out my ingredients, and I'm going to weigh out my thickener. I'm going to be using xanthan gum clear. You can also use xanthan gum soft. I find that they give the best results when I'm formulating my products. To this, I'm going to add some vegetable glycerin. This is going to help mix your xanthan gum well, so that way you don't have clumps and lumps, and it also helps attract moisture to your skin as a humectant. So I'm just going to mix it really well, and I'm going to set this aside. In another jar, I'm going to weigh out my distilled water. To my distilled water, I'm going to be adding some rose hydrosol. This is an optional ingredient, but it has soothing and hydrating benefits for your skin. And then I'm going to add some panthenol. Panthenol, which is also called vitamin B5, helps with skin elasticity and hydration. I'm also going to add some turmeric extract. This is going to help with brightening your skin as well as improving the skin tone. And I'm also going to add some licorice extract. This has amazing anti-inflammatory benefits, and it also helps to brighten up your skin. I'm adding in my lactic acid. The one I'm using is 90% lactic acid solution. This is going to be the exfoliating ingredient that is going to help with cell renewal, regeneration. But you really want to be careful when using lactic acid because it is very, very acidic, and it does increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun. So you really want to be careful. Make sure you wear SPF, especially when using this product. I'm going to add in my Luicidal SF Complete Preservative. I'll leave my 2 preservative videos linked in the description if you need help choosing a preservative. I'm just going to give this a good mix for about a minute or 2. And then I'm going to add in my buffer solution. This is extremely important. This is going to help raise the pH of this jelly mask. I'll also have a video showing how I make a 10% sodium hydroxide solution that's going to help raise the pH. So this is extremely important. So this is going to help bring up the pH because lactic acid is extremely acidic. So I'll just give it a good mix to make sure everything is well combined and well blended. So this is what my consistency is starting to look like. Of course, if you want a thicker consistency, just add more thickener, more xanthan gum. I'm going to check the pH, so I'm just going to weigh out some product, add in some distilled water, give it a good mix before I take the reading. And after checking, the pH was at 4.29. You are wanting a pH range of 3.5 to 4.5. That would be an optimal pH range for a alpha hydroxy acid mask. So this is what it's looking like. It's pretty much done at this point. You can leave your mask overnight just for the xanthan gum for the final consistency. But this is what it's looking like. It's a lightweight jelly mask, and if you've never used alpha hydroxy acids, please do your research. I'll have some helpful articles in the description box if you want to check that out, and I have a detailed blog on my Patreon if you want to go on and read that. But do your research please before using this mask, because for sensitive skin this can be very irritating. But I'm going to go on and package this up, and I'll do a quick demo showing how I use this mask in my skincare routine. So to start off using an exfoliating mask with AHAs, if you have sensitive skin, I would say start off using this mask once a week, and for all other skin types 1 to 3 times a week. I personally don't use this mask more than twice a week. So remember, you will have sensitivity to the sun, so use a good SPF. I start off on freshly washed and cleansed skin. I just put the amount that I need, and then I use a little brush and I just apply this all over my face. Once I'm done, I let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then I use a warm towel, and I use that to clean my face and wipe off the mask. And then I would just proceed with the rest of my skincare routine. I usually use a toner afterwards. Like I said, I am sensitive to AHAs, so I use a toner, I apply my serum, moisturizer, and then I am done. So I hope you found this video helpful, useful. Please don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and also turn on your notifications so that way you don't miss any new videos that I upload. And please don't forget to like this video, because that really helps me out. And of course, if you have questions, just leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Baby.